Well, here's the front porch. Kind of a mess, but oh well. The guy living alone, what do you want? Nikki's on my right shoulder. There's the yard. There's the gazebo where I was just sitting in the rain. Hi, Knox. Want to jump over and show everybody? Come on, let's go over to the tree. Get over there. Come on. Knox. Pick 'em. Too dark. Silly girl. You ready to go inside? Come on, let's go inside. Come on. Nick, come on. There we go, out of the weather.